From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. While we enjoy or not enjoy more summer-like weather over the next week plus, we will continue to watch a very active tropics with Jose messing with the northeast and a powerful Category 5 storm smashing the northeast Caribbean this evening. We'll get to Maria in just a bit. First off, though, as we take a look at the big picture and we look at the upper level atmospherics on what's going on, especially at 18,000 feet, we see this ridge of high pressure dominating and keeping the Gulf of Mexico quiet. That's why we're not concerned with these storms off to the east, but a little bit of a break in the ridge, allowing for some scattered showers across the area, especially toward Houston, where there were some heavy storms this evening. Here's Jose. Here's Maria. We'll talk more about them coming up in just a bit. First off, though, locally, as we look at the regional Doppler radars and the satellite imagery, some pretty heavy rains across Texas. In fact, some localized flooding in around the Houston area. Not what that town needs. Still recovering from Harvey. The remnant clouds from that thunder shower activity moving across Louisiana. But as we examine Power Doppler HD, all is quiet. Locally, we are picking up a little rain back to the west and southwest of us and way off to the east. But locally, should be quiet for the rest of the night. Only issue, warm, humid, mosquitoes, and more than likely some fog again by tomorrow morning. As we open it on up, look at the satellite imagery over the last 6 hours. You can see those heavy storms over by Houston. Some of that debris moving into our area, a little bit more disturbance in the atmosphere. So today was about a 20% type of day. Tomorrow, about 30%. As we look at the picture, though, going over toward Hurricane Jose, not looking like much of a hurricane. Drier air wrapping around this system, but it's got a fairly large wind field and will continue to mess with portions of the mid-Atlantic up through New England in the form of gusty winds and high surf and some beach erosion. Here's the track. The National Hurricane Center keeping this hurricane for one more day, then it weakens to a tropical storm, loops, and then maybe heads back toward the mid-Atlantic. More on that in just a bit. Tropical storm warning still in effect for southeastern portions of New England. Tropical storm watch for Long Island east of New York City. Then the big storm that we're watching this evening, you can see it showing up nicely with the eye right here. This is an 18-hour loop of Hurricane Maria going from a Category 1 with 80-mile-an-hour winds to a Category 5 with 160-mile-an-hour winds as of this evening, raking right across Dominica. As we look at the high-resolution 1-minute imagery, GOES 16 imagery, look at this. This is just so frightening. It's beautiful and frightening at the same time. Prime Minister of Dominica losing his house, reporting his roof was off. He was at the mercy of the hurricane, but he has been rescued, and that eye still pretty much on the northern part of the island. So big hurricane conditions, the backside of the storm for Dominica, and then the system moves off to the northeast. Category 5, 160-mile-an-hour winds, gusts pushing 200, especially on the mountainous side of Dominica, and then eventually as we head up toward Puerto Rico, where there are some pretty big mountains. That means heavier rainfall here. It's going to stay a Category 5 at least through tomorrow. Threaten the Virgin Islands very close to a 5 at 155, goes across Puerto Rico, and then goes east of most of the Bahamas, and then we'll be somewhere out here in the Atlantic down the road. We'll talk more about what we think is going to happen beyond that in just a bit. But I want to show you some other things. This is shows us the risk of hurricane force winds now greater than 80% all the way up through southeastern portions of Puerto Rico. So it's going to be a rough go of it. And then if we just look at, say, the European model, not an official forecast track, but gives you an idea of the power of this storm. You get in the shades of white and gray, you're talking Category 3, 4 winds, better than 130 to 155. St. Croix spared with Irma, not so with this storm. And again, a lot of folks from St. Thomas, St. John, the British Virgin Islands are down in St. Croix while they're building up here. So this is certainly bad news. And then a direct hit for Puerto Rico, more than likely. It's going to be very bad here. Category 3 winds likely encircling the island. Then the storm goes just east of the, well, we'll just say touching portions of the Dominican Republic, and then just east of the Turks and Caicos. More than likely hurricane force winds here. Anything in purple is hurricane force, and then out in the open Atlantic thereafter. But if Jose goes this way, the remnant storm, that may eventually allow these storms to dumbbell around and hopefully send Maria out to sea. But that is not a done deal. That's by the way, called the Fujiwara effect. Look it up. Good Wikipedia page. I have it on my Facebook page as well. So fog for tomorrow morning, partly cloudy skies. Then we'll see the scattered showers tomorrow afternoon, but it will quiet down by 6 o'clock. So a few showers. That was earlier this evening. Dense fog developing. 75 the low, 92 the high tomorrow. Still feeling like August out there. Can't shake that, but as long as we're not talking about the tropics in the Gulf of Mexico, we are in excellent shape. And as we go through the next 5 days, fall gets here Friday, but Mother Nature not cooperating, with highs continuing near 90 well into next week. Cold front maybe 12 to 13 days down the road.
Cold front, right?
The cool front, but there may be another tropical system after Maria. We'll have to wait and see.
All righty, thank you, Rob.